Arshad PMP, and recording the journey of a certified PMP is always something that I really love to do it. So Arshad, first of all, congratulations. And I just want to add, this is consecutively my fifth journey that I'm recording. So I feel proud and honored to guide you guys to cross the line. So Arshad, I want you to share your journey in your own way, please.
First of all, thank you very much, Amir, for congratulations and for coaching me, helping me in this journey.
Yeah.
So, till yesterday, I was very nervous and very down, and today I am very relaxed. So,
I keep on saying you one thing. Don't worry about the score.
yes, yeah, because at the last moment when we were doing that mock test, prepcast or something. So I was getting not because overall I was getting 70 and above before that, but in those I was getting 68 something. Right. So I was a little bit nervous. Then I talked to you. I messaged you. I'm feeling a bit down, and I'm not feeling that I can do it.
What was my message?
Yeah, you said okay. It was good. You are getting good. So keep faith on you and keep moving forward. Do it.
And we
And
did.
even after that, also you send me one more. Okay, do it now. This one.
Yeah, but that mock did help us, no?
Yeah,
That
yeah, definitely,
that
definitely.
that mock did help us. That mock did
Bec-
motivated us.
Yeah.
So, how long you wanted to become PMP, by the way?
Sorry.
How long you wanted to do PM? For how long?
Yeah, so I started like thinking 5 months back.
Mhm.
So, but actual study I started like in August.
In August. Okay, so it's like
Yeah.
a small journey here, not a very
So,
big
no,
journey.
because what happened, like when I started, I was not aware where to go, whom to talk, and what other things. So it took me a little bit time to like find a better, proper resource for all these things, right? So
Mhm.
initially, I did some things which were not related to like proper planning and all this thing, but then I booked my exam on 29th of September. But before that, I was thinking, okay, I'm lacking something. Let's research more. Then I found you.
Mm.
So on 15th of September, I message you regarding that I want your coaching. I want some guidelines, some path, whether I'm going good or not, or something like that. And I was needing some of the mocks and all these things. Basically, I wanted some person who can guide me.
Who can hold
So
your hand and at that time tell you it's all okay. Let's just go with it.
Yes, yeah. So that confidence is very, very important when you are going for this kind of exams. And like there's no limit of the syllabus. I mean to say, but somebody should be there that he'll say, okay, no, no, don't worry. You are doing good. You are on the right path. Okay, this much is enough. Do this. So that's very important. Rather teaching you, coaching is very important here. So
Yeah.
you did awesome. I said awesome job. I'll thank you for that. Because that confidence is very, very important, very, very much needed here.
Hmm. Okay, let's talk about now exam. So where are you and where you give the exam?
So right now I'm Canada in Ottawa.
Okay.
So it was nearby, like 20 minutes car drive.
Hmm.
So I reached there before half an hour.
Hmm.
Uh, bec- so here in Ottawa, it's started like very much cold. So in the morning, it was like freezing zero, minus, feeling like -2. So I reached half an hour before half an hour. Yeah.
Half an hour before. Okay. So you give the exam and how did you manage that time?
Frankly speaking, I wanted to follow exact timing, but the first section was little bit, not little bit, it was quite hard. First section. So I will say like if you can hold your nerve for that starting. So 20, you said 20, 10 questions, just focus on 10 questions. So I was hoping, okay, 10 question will be hard. Okay, let's do. But initially 20 question was so hard. I will say I was hoping, okay, maybe I will not able to do it. So that timing, like I crossed like too much. Around 95 minutes. I
95 minutes.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
Because in the last, because initially 20, because I cannot like leave. Like if I'm clicking one question, then second, third, 10, 11, 15, 20. How many I can leave? So once I after 20th question, when I saw my clock, it was like running very fast. Then I just took only 1 minute and then click something. Then too
Arshad,
it took like,
Arshad, you were the person who never had the issue with the time, but your exam
no, that's why I'm
actually.
saying it was so confusing and so lengthy question, 20 questions initially. I was totally like in that phase, okay, what's happening?
Hmm, okay.
But after that, so then I took break 10 minutes because my breathing was going out of control and something, and then I went out.
Did you
I
do
said, okay,
did you do breathing exercise?
yes, I did. So that was very helpful because when I finished the first part, I was totally like blank. Okay, what's happening? It's like too much time. 15 minutes extra I took. Then I went out, took some relaxation, and then I realized, okay, it's okay. I have 65 60. If I divide 65 65 also in B and C section, I can do better. Then I came again with that mindset, and then I sit, and when I was relaxed, then I started like putting all my knowledge and all my mindset, and then in that I finished in like 62 minutes, 65 minutes, all two sections
Mhm.
within time. Then I finished within time, both the sections.
Okay, okay. So yeah, first it's an important thing for the people. So how we can work into that and how we can understand a few things. They are very important, like time management, and then keeping your nerve calm. Okay, I put instead of 80 minutes, you use 95 minutes. So keep your nerve calm, whatever happen, because the line
Yeah.
is still there. We need
So
to.
even I would say you mentioned that okay, approximately 10, 8, 10 question will be hard, but till 10th question I was okay. Okay. Amit said, okay, 10th question will be hard. Let's do it slowly, slowly. But after that also I got 10 more questions hard, like 20 questions, like in one shot, it was like I was not able to get clues also. Like it was some questions were out of like context also, totally. So, but after that it was okay. After that it was good.
You, I want to put it here, he got all above target. Even those questions were hard, but you did well somewhere so that you got all the scores right. Okay, so which topics were most highlighted in your exam?
Yeah. So I would say agile. Agile was like 70-75% was agile.
Agile, okay.
Uh,
And what else?
Agile, and then like in agile also it was like mix of communication, stakeholder and team. So whatever you said, like four topics initially: stakeholder, communication, team, agile. This was a combination of basically this thing. And most of the thing I'll say, if you have the PM mindset, no, that's very important. Because once you don't have time, or you have like 1 minute that window, if you can think, okay, in this situation what a PM will do, that will help.
Okay,
But topics were like four topics. Other than that, like and compliance also, there were 8 or 10 questions.
okay.
Compliance.
Compliance. Okay, any formula question, critical path
No
question?
formula, nothing, no maths, not at all.
No, no,
Zero
no,
question.
no critical path questions.
No
Okay.
critical, no SPA, CPA, nothing, zero.
So the most important thing was, apart from doing mocks, that we did a lot of mocks,
Yes.
servant leadership mentality, agile
Yes,
mindset,
yeah, that's PMPM mentality. Yeah.
yeah, and time management. That is the key of the
Time
exam.
management is very crucial. I mean, actually, I will say, like, I took the 10 minutes break. That was my savior, actually.
Mhm.
Before that, inside that room, I was totally like,
You
I was
were,
not able to understand the question, actually. In that 60 question, last 5 question, I was not able to understand because it was clicking so fast. And I already crossed like 90 minutes. So it was going like last 5 questions I did, like, I was not able to understand what's written there.
Mhm.
But after 10
10
minute
minutes,
break, I was
those
like cool down.
10 minutes break are extremely important.
Very, very important.
The context of it there. Okay, thank you very much, Arshad. Any other final advice you would like to give to the other PMP aspirants?
So I would say 30% is complex. The total exam, if you say the complexity, 30% question you will get little bit complex. You will be like, okay, from where these questions are coming from, even that also possible. But 70% are okay, you can manage it. So I would say it's like not very complex, because 70% you can manage, but these are tricky questions. So the mindset is the key. If you have that servant leader mindset or PM mindset, you say, then you can crack the questions correctly. And it's like a mix of something like stakeholder communication, team, agile, or basically two things. Like I would suggest two things: what project manager will do in this situation, and what is the next step. If you know these two things with these four topics, then it's good to go. You'll crack it.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Uh, Thank you very much for your time. It has been an interesting journey to work with you. And Arshad, I hope I have added you to PMP aspirant and certified PMP groups. I hope you can take the torch of each one, teach one, and can work
Yeah.
with the aspirant. With that, best of luck, brother, for the future endeavors.
Thank you, Amir. Thank you. It was very nice meeting with you, and found you on on the internet. That was a lifesaver.
I will,
So thank you very much.
I will try better that guys can find me earlier.
Yeah.
That
Even I will. My wife is also planning to join PMP, so definitely she will join you. So
thank you.
thank you very much, Amir.